Hello friends, hope you are well. Welcome to TechManPat. Today we're going to be unboxing these Realme Buds Q, and Realme has been really doing some really cool Realme things. They've been pushing out fantastic mobile phones. We got to review a few on this channel, and recently they sent me these and I'm really excited. I love my headphones. I love stuff like this. So let's get unboxing, and then obviously in the future we'll get a full review. Let's get started. Now I've brought a few other headphones to compare to. This is probably the cheapest one I have, but I absolutely love this one. We've got the one more that the review is coming soon, and we've also got the classics from Apple, the Beats and the AirPods, which ultimately is probably my favorite of all time. So I want to see how they compare the Realme Buds Q to some of these other products, and so let's get unboxing, let's see what's inside, and let's feel it out. Let's see if it actually is even premium looking or premium feeling. So a very simple box. Let's have a look. I really kind of just want to get to them straight away. I mean, there we go. Wow, they're really small. I wasn't expecting that. Like this round thing, I thought they might be like as big as this, because on the photo it kind of seemed big, but hey, I'm really impressed with the size. So let's take that out of there. Oh, there we go. Is that it? Wow, they're really small, really light. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got a charging cable. And this is a micro USB. Okay, so it's not USB-C, that's a shame. And we've got some spare ear tips for you to use. So let's have a look at this. It's very small and it's very light. I wonder how much battery it actually has. It's like a little clamshell. You can just pop it open and we have the buds in there. The plastic is very thin. It doesn't feel particularly premium, but these ones are really small. Like even compared to the other cheapies I have right here, I mean, these are very big comparably. They've got a little bit of sticker on top. Let's take that off. There we go. And here we have it. Now it looks like it has a button there, but it's probably a touch button, and it's got a little R, and that's it. It has a little sensor here to tell when it's inside the actual ear, so you'll know that, well, when you take it out it should pause. That's a really good thing. So I want to see how they fit in my ear. I can find the little R on here, and there's an L here. No, there isn't. I can't quite see it. There we go, R on this one and L on this one, and so we can try and fit that in. That's really snug. I actually, that's really nice. And you know what? It's not sticking out like to the side out of my ear, and because they are so light, it seems to me that they get a good coverage inside the ear, so I feel like I'm speaking in my head. You know that effect when it's all sort of nicely locked down inside? They are very light. And you know, when I wear like a helmet or anything like that on the bike, sometimes when the actual pod or the earphone is too big, it kind of pushes against, but because they're really small and light, I can't feel them in there. They're just, that's magnificent. That's really impressive. Like, let's compare it to this one here. So this one is another left one. It is a cheaper one, and obviously it's a little bit bigger. It sticks out a little bit more around here. And then if we go to one of the really bigger ones, this one has active noise cancelling, and as you can see, the comparison is just absolutely incredible in the size of it. I have to bring it up here. So if I put this in my ear and I put this one in, this one sticks out crazily. The magnet in the case isn't particularly strong, but they seem to clip in very well, and I guess because they're quite light and missing all that, that's probably why. Take them out, quickly put them in, and let's see if we can get them connected into the phone. So I got them charged up, and I wasn't gonna try and do this whole thing straight away in the unboxing, but I just want to talk about the sound. It's impressive. I was blown away in the first 10 seconds of one of the songs I usually test with, Tool, and then I do a few of the Disturbed songs. I really love a bit of rock, and I cannot say enough how impressive the sound is coming out of these little earbuds here. And one thing they also say here is that it's got a 20-hour battery, it's got 10mm bass boost drivers, a really low latency, and the latency, it really is low, because sometimes when you're using a chat or when you're using the keyboard, you can actually hear the button presses happen a lot later after you actually press them. With these, No, and it sounds so nice and clear. Looking forward to doing the review. Let's finish up. Friends, thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll get you the full review very soon. I'm gonna start using it on the bike and outdoors and even inside and see how it actually compares to some of these other products here. The pricing is below if you wanna have a look, and we'll catch you then. Thanks for watching and bye.